UI because I don't know very well how it works.
It's not stock Android. So.
Okay, you have the original case of the BlackBerry Classic.
No, it came together with this one.
Ah, okay. And you swap the Android with Ubuntu.
Yes.
Is there any tutorial already, or you did it by yourself?
Well, there is a good Droidian port by Yami Catalan, and I based on this Droidian port basically.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm showing you Marathon OS. I don't show Droidian.
Yeah.
Looks very nice.
New keyboard is to deal with that situation. Where, yeah, previously we're on.
And also the keyboard is very nostalgic.
Yeah.
I still have a Q10,
Oh, cool.
but I started to have problems with signal and the SIM card. This feels so 2026 somehow, and 2015 in the same time, in the same package. USB-C port.
But you see, it was like cut through
Yes,
the frame.
they made it to this form, like the original. Wow.
Yeah, you can use this as
As a scroll.
Yeah. No, it emits keyboard error. So.
Yeah. Let's see the calendar. Filling this. Where's the month? Oh no. The map. Month here. No, under.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, it's very nice. How long keeps you running the battery?
It runs through the day, but I didn't do tests because it's like just a very initial part.
Okay.
I pushed on GitLab January 23rd, so I'm only playing with it maybe for a week to start.
Okay.
It's my favorite game.
It's very stable and fast. Fast enough. Comparing with other mobile phones from this stands from this event.
It has MediaTek Helio G99, so it was the same CPU you would find on a tablet or a lot of mid-range smartphones as well.
Okay.
Have you been to Ubuntu Mobile?
Yeah, I went yesterday.
Yes, they have a big tablet.
Yes.
That tablet has the same features.
The same?
Yes.
Okay. So it's pretty good, pretty advanced.
But you see, brightness control doesn't work, and it's not,
Yes.
it's not Ubuntu bug, it's actually hardware bug.
Harder bug.
I don't know why, but mine is an early prototype, so I hope it's fixed.
Maybe the next update will fix that.
Depends if it's hardware or good.
Wow, thank you very much.